In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert document or object in the body of email in Outlook. If you've ever wanted your recipients to see a document right inside the message, rather than only as a separate attachment, this is how you do it in the Outlook desktop app. Start by opening a new email and clicking your cursor directly in the message body exactly where you want the object to appear. Outlook will place the file at that insertion point, so it's worth setting it before you proceed. Next, go to the ribbon at the top and select the Insert tab. Within this tab, look for the text group. You'll find a button labeled Object. Go ahead and click it. This opens the Object dialog, which controls how files are embedded in the message. In the dialog, switch to the Create from File tab. This tells Outlook that you want to bring an existing file into the email, rather than creating a new object from scratch. Click Browse. Navigate to the document you want to include. Select it and then click Open. Take a second to confirm you've chosen the right file, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. Before you finish, decide how you want the item to appear to your recipients. If you prefer a clean look that takes up less space in the message body, check Display as Icon. With this option, the email will show a clickable icon that opens the file. If you leave it unchecked, Outlook will attempt to display a preview, often the first page. Right inside the message, preview can be useful for quick scanning, but it can make the email longer and may not render identically for every recipient or on every device. When you are ready, click OK to insert it. You'll now see the file placed exactly where your cursor was. If you need it elsewhere, the simplest approach is to delete it and repeat the steps at the desired spot. Keep in mind that embedding files can increase the size of your message. If the document is large, consider whether a lighter file format is appropriate before inserting. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.